Yung kabila, testing. Tingnan mo rin yung kabila. Next na yung ano natin. So, this is JJ Works. Bye!
Hi, good morning. So yesterday I just bought a set of Yokohama Advan Fleva. So what I had before is actually the same tires, but the problem is I got a DOT of 2021 for the two pairs on the front and 2018 on the back. So I was actually thinking about getting Michelin Pilot Sport 4 since I was able to use it or try it on the other jazz, but maybe I was just thinking about practicality and price because there's not much difference at all when in terms of daily driving. So what I got is about the same specs, 195 50 16s. I was thinking about going for 205 50 16s, but um, I was kind of conflicted since you know they might rub and it will be hassle to get them changed by selling them and getting a new pair or getting a new set of four of 195 50 16s. So yeah, so my review for the Advent Fleva, there was a major difference when I drove home yesterday. Even my wife said that the ride the ride was practically better. Bumps were bumps on the road were less intrusive. So I'm really happy with the new set of tires. So yeah, I think I would recommend buying V701 Advent Fleva for those who want to try it on the track at the same time. It's definitely daily driver worthy. So yeah.